Okay, welcome folks to the 4Q channel. As you can see today, my first ever dish that I'm going live on YouTube. I'm going to be creating scrambled eggs. Now what I'm doing here, just to start off with, I'm going to get the pan hot enough so that the eggs don't stick. A way to do this, which you may have seen many times before, is to get your pan hot enough so that when the water splashes onto the pan, the water forms ball bearings, so like little balls, and that's when you know that your pan is hot and primed enough for the eggs not to stick to your pan. So as you can see, roughly it takes probably about close to a minute or so to get that effect with the water. So not to bore you, I'm going to just fast forward this section. Okay, now we're nearly there, and you can see the formation of ball bearings starting to appear when water is put onto a hot pan. Knowing this, you'll know that your eggs are ready to be put on. So here we go. So I've turned the heat off now, and now I'm scrambling the eggs. I'm using 2 eggs per person, so just do it a quick scramble. Next, I'm going to throw in a dab of butter. That way, just gives a bit of flavour. I tend to use salted butter. Then I've got just a quarter of a cup of cream. Cream just goes great with everything. It makes the eggs nice and fluffy. Here I've got some salt and some cracked pepper as well. And last but not least, I'm just going to throw in some chopped chives, and the nice scent of that onion flavour resonates right through the egg. And I'm just giving it a quick scramble, and I'm now going to toss it into the pan. Once again, the pan heat has been turned off. Just grabbing my spatula and start just slowly invigorating the pan, again showing you that the heat is off, and all up this should take close to about 30 to 40 seconds. Some people like their eggs just a little bit runny. I prefer them like that, and others like them well done. So if you do like them well done, just leave them on a bit longer. As you can see, there's no sticking to the pan. And really, once you're happy with that texture, you can see here, just grab a plate, put it down, roll it on with a spatula, and there you have it. Easy scrambled eggs, no heat off the pan, and enjoy. Being that it's our first channel, I'm trying to give you the thumbs up. Obviously I've lost my thumb, there it is. Please be sure to like and subscribe.